Changing your phone number on your Santander account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your contact information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the Santander website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to your account to make changes. Step 2. Navigate to personal information. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Settings or Personal Information. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select Phone Number Update. In the Personal Information section, find the option to update your phone number. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy to avoid any issues with communication. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new phone number, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify that your phone number has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on your Santander account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.